Today we're in Coventry placing sewer lines for a small condo association. They elected for a trenchless solution, which was better for their tenants, faster, and also better for their environment. Really cool thing about this project is that because it's an association and there's multiple units with multiple buildings, the tenants in this case are only relocated for 2 weeks compared to the alternative dig and replace option, which would remove them from their home for multiple weeks, sometimes months. So we've started off here using the Ridgid C-Snake series of cameras. Once we're done with the Ridgid equipment, we move on to the Coat solutions for milling equipment. This is where we start to descale the pipe, find any of the serious debris, and we follow up with our Northeast Jetters jetting equipment. That helps us get all that debris out of the pipe and nice and clean. And then we move into our lining. For this application and the time frame that we're working in, we're using the Sewertronics UV curing system, which is a UV activated resin versus a traditional thermal setting resin. We invert our liner, we send a light train in after it, and cures literally feet per minute. At Savy & Sons, we're infrastructure restoration and zero dig specialists. Stop us on the street, find us online, reach out, and we'll be happy to help.